Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Reels template on Instagram. Set first open Instagram, click on to plus option, select Reels and then showing you to template option, just click on choose and template trending. This is a trending template, like click on and click on to add media option, just select an image or video and then next, and then next. Okay, now successfully add this template, just click on to next to share. So that's it, that's how we can easily use Reels template on Instagram.